Hello, Story Glory friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a card. And it can be for your mother for Mother's Day, or your grandma, or a special friend, or you can make this kind of card for a birthday too. So what you're going to need to get started is a piece of construction paper. It could be any color. And actually get two, because we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to have one half be the card part like this, and we're going to have a second one, we're going to cut the long way, and it's going to be the pop out part like this. So grab two pieces of construction paper, and you'll also need a piece of junk mail, just a catalog or wrapping paper or whatever kind of scrap paper you have around. And you'll need some scissors and some glue. So one of my favorite things to do is to curl up on the couch with a cup of tea and a stack of books like those behind me. And I just love to curl up with a good book. I usually don't start with a stack, I just have one. But I thought it'd be fun to make a stack of books and a cup of tea today for those moms out there who deserve, or grandmas who deserve, a time just reading quietly with a cup of coffee or tea. And all right, so let's grab some construction paper, scissors, and glue. So take your construction paper and fold it in half like a hamburger, like that. And then cut it right in the middle, like this. That's going to be your card, or you have enough for two cards. Then take your second piece of construction paper, and I'm just going to show you, I want you to cut it the long way, like a hot dog. So you're going to lay it the long way, fold it in half this way, and cut along that line. So you should have a half of a long piece and a half of a short piece, if that makes sense. Now fold the short piece in half, and you'll have enough for a little card. Take the long piece, and I want you to fold it in half and in half again, like that. Then open it up and fold both sides toward the middle line. So I'm going to fold this one here and this one here. So when you unfold it, it should make a W. Do you see the W? Yeah, so we would call that an accordion fold. And we can glue that in here. I'm not going to glue it yet, but I'm just going to show you how it's going to work. Here's the card. You open it up, and then you can unfold the whole picture out. So we're going to make a stack of books and a cup of tea along these lines. So I'm going to put this aside for now. I want to recommend this good book, by the way. It's called How to Read a Book by Kwame Alexander. And it's full of poetry and beautiful pictures made out of collage materials. And I just wanted to show you this one. He actually uses print mixed with, it looks like paint or drawing. And here's a stack of books right here with a little spiral, and this girl is walking along a drawn line to another spot, which is also a book. So he uses books in all of the illustrations. It's really beautiful. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make a cup of tea, and I have a piece of paper here that I'm going to make into a cup. And I'm going to fold my paper in half. And I'm going to start on one side. I'm going to leave a little space and draw half of a U and a slightly curved line over here. That's going to be my cup. I can already tell I've drawn it too big, so I'm going to cut it smaller. I want it to fit inside one of my folded areas like a cup. It's still a little bit on the fat side, so we're going to just cut again. That looks more like a cup. Now I'm going to cut a handle out, and a handle is just a rainbow inside a rainbow. I can glue that to my the side of my cup, either side. I think I'll do that side. And that can be her coffee or her tea. Okay, now to make your stack of books, it's going to be super easy. all you need to do is cut a rectangle and a tiny little curved line at the top, rainbow line at the top and the bottom. So for instance, here's my catalog that I have. I can find whatever color I want. This is really pretty. This is actually a rainbow. It would be a really pretty book cover. So I could cut a bunch from right here. I'm just going to cut some straight lines like this. They don't have, some can be skinny, some can be farther apart. And then I'm going to cut along. Oops, forgot that guy. I'm going to cut this way to cut my rectangles off. Now I have a whole stack just from one spot, but you can use all different colors depending on what kind of paper you have around. And now in each one, I'm going to cut a little curved line at the bottom and the top, going the same way. So a little curved line at the bottom and at the top. If you don't feel like doing those, just leave it as a straight rectangle. That's okay. Now, while you're looking at your junk mail, if you happen to see some words that you think describe your mom or whoever you're giving it to, like this says purpose. This says make sweet memories. I found some words that I thought it would be fun to put those in my stack of books. So I cut out some words also. Now, we're going to make a tall stack of books. I'm going to turn this way so I can see what I'm doing, with a teacup sitting at the top on the stack of books. So I'm just going to glue my teapot and then work from top to bottom to the bottom. And if I get to the bottom right here, that's fine. Leave this blank, no problem. If I have enough rectangles to go all the way down, that's fine too. And remember, you want some that are different lengths than others. I have orange here, so I think I'm going to switch to my yellow paper because I think it will show up better. So here again is how we make our fold. Fold to the middle. Fold to the middle again, fold to the middle, then make it like an accordion, like that. Okay, so I'm switching to yellow, and I'm going to be gluing everything underneath my teacup. So I'll start with my teacup and then go down. So now that you're done making your collage, you're going to take, so here's the collage I finished. You're going to take the bottom part and glue it to the bottom of your card, as if you're opening the card this way, and then it will pull out just like this. You can decorate the front with whatever you want, and you could write something here or here. You could write something at the bottom if you have space. Happy Mother's Day, I love you. Or maybe you want to give your mom a coupon for sit on the couch and I'll make you a cup of tea or coffee. Or maybe you want to give her a book with this card. I don't know, whatever she likes. Maybe it's ice cream. Maybe you could make an ice cream cone that has a cone at the bottom and then scoops of ice cream all the way on top. You think of something that the person you're making it for would like, and go ahead and make that special card and bring them joy and delight today. Thanks for joining me at Story Glory, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. If you or your kids enjoyed this video, be sure and sign up for my free 5-day creation art challenge, where you and your kids can make this art piece. It's free, link in the description.